And also in the same unit you have also learnt about number of moles being equal to mass divided by mR, and if Avogadro's number is given, how do you find the number of molecules? Okay. Now looking at a question from your tutorial that says that the number of moles of a gas is confined to a 5-liter vessel at a pressure of 8 atmosphere. What is the temperature of the gas? Okay. Now you'll see number of moles. So your N is equal to 2 moles. Okay. Confined to a 5-liter vessel. So your volume is equal to 5 liters. Okay. And pressure is equal to 8 atmosphere. Now you have to find what is the temperature of the gas. Okay. Now if you look at this, the best formula to do that is you use PV is equal to nRT. Okay. Because you have your T there, you have P and this one, and your R is a constant. Okay, R is a constant. Now if you use that 8.316 as the constant, then it's a fairly simple question where it's a matter of putting the values into P, V, N and R, and you get your T. But the main idea there is, if you are trying to find your temperature, okay, which will be given in Kelvin, your volume needs to be in meter cube, and your pressure needs to be in pascals. But if you look at the values that are given, you'll see your volume is in liters and your pressure is in atmosphere. Okay. So that is the trick in that question. If you straight away put those values into that formula and find your temperature, you'll get a wrong answer. What you need to do is you need to convert those liters and atmosphere to pascals and meter cube. Okay, so the way you do that is volume is equal to 5 liters. So you know you want to remove the liter, so you put liter in the denominator and meter cube in the numerator. So you know in 1 meter cube you have 1000 liters. Okay, so the liters cancels off, your volume becomes 5 times 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Okay, and then you have pressure. I mean, you don't have pressure. Pressure is given there, 8 atmosphere. So you want to remove the atmosphere and you want to put pascals in its place. Okay, so in 1 atmosphere you have 1.013 times 10 to the power 5 pascals. Okay, so 8 multiplied by that value will give your answer in pascals. Right? Now once you have converted them, you can find your temperature. Your temperature is equal to nR divided by PV. Okay, so you already have your pressure in pascals, you have your volume in meter cube. Okay, N is already given. Okay, and R you know is a constant. Okay, and if you put those values in, you should get around 244 Kelvin as your temperature. Okay, so again, it was a fairly simple question, but this is where you need to know how to convert your units from one particular unit, especially atmosphere to pascals and liters to meter cube. Okay, the second part of the question is then using your answer, your temperature in the first part, which was 244 Kelvin, you use that to find the average kinetic energy. Okay, so average kinetic energy is same thing as half mv squared. Okay, and you'll see that half mv squared is also equal to 3/2. Okay, Kb is a constant multiplied by temperature. Okay, so once you get those values, you substitute Kb and temperature in your equation, you'll get your kinetic energy as 5.1 times 10 to the power minus 21 joules. Okay, so just going back to that question, important things in Unit 9 is for you to know how to apply PV is equal to nRT. Okay, and you might also need to know the formula for the kinetic energy, 3/2 Kb multiplied by temperature. And you have to know that your temperature needs to be in Kelvin. Okay, your volume needs to be in meter cube, and your pressure needs to be in pascals.